When you think of tech giants, names like Apple, Samsung, or Sony might come to mind. But there's another powerhouse, one that quietly powers your home, your car, and maybe even your smartphone screen. That company is LG, a South Korean giant that has evolved from making radios in the 1950s to becoming a global leader in electronics, appliances, and cutting-edge technologies. Today, we're diving deep into LG's fascinating history, its financial transformation, and whether it's a hidden gem for investors in 2025. The origin of LG, from Lucky to global giant. The story of LG began in 1947 in post-war Korea under the name Lucky Chemical Industrial Corp. Pronounced Lucky. Soon, the company expanded into consumer electronics, launching Korea's first radio in 1959 under a new division called GoldStar. In 1985, the two merged to form LG, short for Lucky GoldStar. Their slogan became legendary, "Life's good." This wasn't just marketing, it was a philosophy. LG wanted to make technology practical, reliable, and enjoyable for everyday people. Over the decades, LG built everything from televisions and washing machines to smartphones, batteries, and display panels, becoming one of South Korea's proudest global brands. The tech powerhouse. You don't see. Here's the thing. Most people know LG for their TVs and appliances, but behind the scenes, LG is a core supplier to some of the world's biggest tech companies. LG Display makes OLED panels used in Apple iPhones, Dell laptops, and even Tesla vehicles. LG Chem supplies EV batteries to companies like General Motors, Hyundai, and Tesla. LG Energy Solution, now a separate listed company, is one of the world's top 3 battery producers, competing directly with CATL and Panasonic. In short, LG doesn't just make products, it powers the global tech ecosystem. Reinvention. From smartphones to smart, everything. One of LG's boldest moves was its decision to exit the smartphone market in 2021 after years of losses. At the time, many thought this was a defeat, but in reality, it was a strategic pivot. LG redirected its focus to emerging tech sectors, electric vehicles and components through LG Magna e-Powertrain. AI-powered home appliances connecting everything from fridges to air conditioners. OLED and micro-LED displays setting visual standards for the entire industry. In 2020, LG's innovation continues with smart home ecosystems, autonomous driving technology, and green energy solutions. This shift from consumer electronics to B2B and high-tech infrastructure has completely transformed LG's business model. Financial overview and stock insights, 2025 edition. Now let's talk money. The LG Group is a vast conglomerate, but its key publicly traded arms are LG Electronics, 06657.ks, LG Chem, 0519.ks, and LG Energy Solution, 3732.ks. LG Electronics has a market cap of around $10,012 billion USD, generating over $60 billion in revenue annually. LG Chem and LG Energy Solution combined bring in tens of billions more, especially through EV battery contracts. While LG's margins are slimmer than those of Apple or Samsung, its diversification and deep industrial integration make it a stable long-term play. Analysts in 2025 note that LG's energy and EV divisions could become the group's biggest growth drivers, outpacing its traditional consumer business. Investors looking for exposure to EV batteries, energy storage, and AI home tech may find LG a compelling opportunity, particularly as it expands globally and reduces dependence on domestic demand. The global race for the future. So, where does LG stand in 2025? While Samsung and Apple dominate headlines, LG operates quietly, but strategically. It's building the infrastructure of tomorrow's technology, from EVs to renewable energy systems. In AI and smart home ecosystems, LG's ThinQ platform integrates hundreds of devices, blending convenience with energy efficiency. Meanwhile, LG Energy Solution is signing massive multi-year deals to supply batteries for electric vehicles, robotics, and even aerospace applications. LG isn't trying to be flashy, it's trying to be essential, and in a world increasingly powered by clean energy and connected devices, that strategy could pay off big. From humble beginnings in post-war Korea to powering the world's electric cars, LG's journey is one of adaptation, innovation, and resilience. It may not always be in the spotlight, but its influence is everywhere. So what do you think? Is LG the silent winner of the next tech revolution? Let me know in the comments below. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and ring the bell for more deep dives into the companies shaping our world. Because when it comes to innovation, sometimes life's good, and LG proves it.